My adaptations allow me to survive in these different environments. If I could reproduce and pass my genes on to my kin, making them fitter, I win. So my species is changing. Have I told you a story about a crazy bro who studied finches in this place called Galapagos? Goes by the name of Charles Darwin. Spent his whole life on this topic exploring. On these islands he watched many birds, representing at the time he was lost for words. Notice that these finches had different beaks. They ended up eating food that was all unique. Over time some finches died while some survived, but Darwin begged to answer the question why. Natural selection took over in his mind as he started to see these processes unwind. My adaptations allow me to survive in these different environments. If I could reproduce and pass my genes on to my kin, making them fitter, I win. So my species is changing. Natural selection. Changing. Now let me break it down for all you guys. Survival of the fittest is here and not disguised. Variations allow them to be adaptable, but only one ends up being favorable. For you see, the finches without this trait most likely are doomed and dead by their fate. Offspring will have a greater fitness, allowing them to live on with happiness. Struggle for existence takes its toll. Over time, the centuries begin to roll. Gradual changes build up in DNA. By way of natural selection, new species say, hey! My adaptations allow me to survive in these different environments. If I could reproduce and pass my genes on to my kin, making them fitter, I win. So my species is changing. Natural selection. My ancestors I have left behind, because I have adapted over this time. I look to see what we have overcome, all thanks to descending with modifications. My adaptations allow me to survive in these different environments. If I could reproduce and pass my genes on to my kin, making them fitter, I will win. Species is changing.